I just wanted to show you today something that I've been working on recently. Working on starting a garden. So right here in this pot, I have tomatoes in both of these. In here is my mint plant. Then right here, I have a green bean here and one here. I have some parsley here and a cucumber here. So I'm taking you outside now, and this is the area where I plan on planting my vegetables. What I did was I took these were sitting by our house when we got them, these boards, so I put them and made a little box out of them, and I just covered the ground with dirt there. And all my dirt I got from free because my boyfriend works at a landscaping company, and any bags of dirt that they bag up that isn't usable to send to retailers, he brings home, and I just dumped them all in here. I do see a picture of what this looked like before I put all this dirt in and everything, so you can see. Still need to get a little bit more put in, but this is where that's going to go. I'm so excited about getting this all started once it warms up and I'm able to actually plant stuff. Yeah, there's my cat. I'll plan on keeping you posted whenever I get everything planted, and I'll have an update video so you guys can see it. Guess I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.